I think what CSSG is doing is it's a new innovative concept. It's great to empower women, especially women from the underprivileged society. They do not have that many opportunities in life, and to provide them a platform which exposes them to various other things that they can accomplish in life besides just being homemakers is empowering them. It's giving them strength, awareness and exposure to what potential their life has. Women in any strata of society are the backbone of the family, and once women are given this opportunity, it strengthens the family. It gives them a sense of accomplishment, and so in my opinion, this is a very besides being empowering for women, it is also giving them an identity, giving them an opportunity to explore life beyond just their four walls at home. You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may tread me in the very dirt, but still like dust I will rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room. Just like moons and like suns with the certainty of tides, just like hope springing high, still I will rise. Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard, 'cause I laugh like I've got gold mines, digging in my own backyard. You may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still, like air, I will rise. Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance like I've got diamonds at the meeting of my thighs? Out of the huts of history's shame, I rise. Up from a past that's rooted in pain, I rise. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide. Leaving behind nights of terror and fear, I rise into a daybreak that's wondrously clear. I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I am the dream and hope of the slave. I rise, I rise, I rise.